Have you ever wondered what would happen if you keep two mirrors facing each other? You must have seen such a situation when you have visited the barber shop, right? Yeah, फिर you must have also encountered such a situation in those, fancy lifts. Now, in many cases, what you see is multiple images being formed in the mirror. In this genius video, you will learn how light can be reflected multiple times to form multiple images. First, let us quickly recall how an image is formed on a plane mirror. Now, consider a plane mirror PQ. An object O is placed in front of the mirror. Now, let's say two rays OA and OC fall on the mirror. What will be the direction of reflected rays? Yes, your intuition is correct. They will roughly be reflected in this direction. We can actually figure out exactly the direction of reflection using the laws of reflection of light. तो ऐसा करते हैं. Let us do that. The points A and C are the points of incidence for the two light rays. Now, we can draw a normal to the surface PQ at these 2 points. Ab, from the law of reflection of light, we know that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. So, the reflected rays will travel in exactly this direction where the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Ab suppose an observer at E sees this reflected ray, ये वाली. She thinks that the object itself is behind the mirror. Now, how do we explain this? Simple. We can imagine extending the rays AB and CD backwards. So these rays appear to meet at a point I behind the mirror. Now, for the observer at E, the light seems to come from behind the mirror. The point I is the point where the image of the object at O is formed. Now, you already know a lot about this image, है ना? You know that the image is virtual. This is because the light rays are not actually meeting at the point I, but they only appear to meet at point I. You also know that the image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. So, if this distance is D, then this distance is also D. Now, what more can you tell me about an image formed by a mirror? Yes, the image is erect. The size of the image is the same as that of the object. And most importantly, the left side of the object appears to be the right side in the image and vice versa. So this property where left appears to be right in the image is known as lateral inversion. Now, here is something you can do at home. You can make two plane mirrors and an object. Keep the two plane mirrors at an angle and simply count the number of images formed. Observe that when the mirrors are kept at 90 degrees, 3 images are formed. अब एक काम करते हैं. Let us try to understand this with the help of a diagram. So, we have two mirrors and the angle between them is 90 degrees. So, let us draw a few light rays to understand how the images are formed. The light rays from here falls on mirror 1 and gets reflected to form an image behind mirror 1. The light ray from here falls on mirror number 2 and gets reflected to form an image behind mirror number 2. However, there are also light rays that fall on mirror 1 gets reflected and falls on mirror 2. Now, this multiple reflection of the light ray is what is responsible for the third image that we observed. तो भाई बताओ, what can we conclude from this? Multiple images on mirrors are formed because of multiple reflection of light. Now, can you tell me what would happen if I keep two mirrors facing each other and place an object between the mirrors? Uncountably many images of the object would be formed because the rays of light keeps on bouncing back and forth between the mirrors. This is why you find many mirrors facing each other in a barber's shop. जीनियस से पढ़ो, जीनियस बनो.